Hello YouTube, here I have the ultimate travel charger that you have been looking for. This is the DailyObjects Surge Foldaway. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charger. It supports Qi 2.2 standard, so 25 watt output for your iPhone, and it also charges your Apple Watch and AirPods at 5 watts. So it retails for around 8,000 Indian rupees. But if you keep track of the sales, so you can grab it for around 5.5 to 6K during the offer period. It supports fast charging for your iPhone 17 Pro or 16 series, but it also charges at 15 watts for your Pixel 10 or Galaxy S26. But the watch charger, it only supports Apple Watch, so it's primarily for the Apple users. All right, now let's see what we get in the box. So we just get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So similarly what you get with your iPhone. So there is no charging brick included, but I'll uh, tell you which one to get at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the physical build of the device. So unlike cheap plastic stands that's available for lower price, so this is made up of aluminum alloy. And again, like this is not a paid review or something. So I've been using a different chargers. So I've been using the official MagSafe charger from Apple. But something like this is really convenient. So I can charge 3 devices at once, and it also supports the latest Qi 2.2 standard. So it also fast charges the iPhone and also the other devices. So the Apple Watch and AirPods, so both charge at 5 watts, and you can see there is a charging indicator. And the color also, it matches perfectly with the cosmic orange of the latest iPhone 17 Pro series. So that's the added plus point. But also some subtle color like silver would have been a better option. But still, this is the only option that you can get in India right now with daily objects. So the black one, it's the older standards one. So the Qi 2.2 one, it's only available in orange. And obviously you can fold it as a good sandwich like this, and you can carry it around in your pocket or in your backpack. So it's easy to carry like this. So also you need just a single USB Type-C cable, and also I have the power brick with me. So I'll be talking about this more in the end of the video, so which one to choose. But this is the minimal setup that I have to charge all of my Apple devices, which I carry day-to-day basis. And now, because the charging pad is Qi 2.2 certified, it natively it's MagSafe compatible, so you get the perfect magnetic alignment and also the satisfying animation that you get with the official MagSafe charger. So now let's move to the most important part that we have all been waiting for, the real world charging test. So right now my iPhone is at 30% battery life and it's 8:20 p.m. right now. So let me snap into the 25 watt pad and let it draw the power. And next I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So the Apple Watch Ultra 3, it supports fast charging, but the Ultra 2 also supports, I mean, not as fast, but it also supports the 5 watt fast charging. So let's see, it's at 49% right now. So I'm keeping my Apple Watch. And finally, the AirPods Pro 3. So this also supports fast charging, but unfortunately, it's right now at 80%. So let's see if we can get it through. I think I need to tilt my iPhone a little bit to get it inside. So it supports both horizontal and vertical alignment. So even if you use it as a nightstand, you can do that. Or you can just tilt the angle of the device. So something like this, so that it looks aesthetically also. So I can charge all 3 devices, iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at once with this particular charger. All right, now the charging is active across all 3 devices. To track the efficiency and the charging speed, I'm going to be using the Amperes application. So, and also I'll compare the time taken for the Apple Watch and AirPods also. So right now it's 8:23 p.m. and these are the percentages of all the devices here. And let me launch the Amperes application. So let me find the application on my phone, and here it is. So this application would give me how much wattage it's consumed. So all right, it's exactly 8:27 p.m. right now, and we have the results. So just after a quick 7 minute sprint, the iPhone peaked at a massive 21 watt of actual power draw. So this is incredible performance for a wireless charger, and this clearly proves it's a Qi 2.2 standard wireless charger. And here we have the results. So it has gained 5% in just 3 minutes 27 seconds and a 21 watt power draw. So it's comfortably in the Qi 2.2 standard power range. And this has got up from 30% to 39%, a solid 9% gain. And on Apple Watch, it's 49 to 55 percentage, and on AirPods, it's gone to 80 to 88 percentage. And now it's showing like 46 minutes to charge up to 80%, which is a good sign. Fast forward to 8:42 p.m. It shows like 24 minutes to 80%, and as I have the optimized charging on, it shows 1 hour 25 minutes for 100%. And also I have compared against the 45 watt wired charging. Definitely it's much faster, so it completes in 70 minutes. But if you compare the 25 watt MagSafe charging with the both the Apple's original one and the Daily Objects one, so it isn't far behind. So there is obviously some 2-3 minutes difference, but it crushes the 15 watt wireless charger. So if you're charging wirelessly, obviously go for the Qi2 standard ones. Now, coming to the final part of the video where I told I would be assisting in selecting the best wall adapter for this sandwich. So if you look at the bottom here, it says 9 volt 3 amps. So that is the bare minimum. But if you see the input voltage, so here it's required 15 volt 3 amps. So if you see that, you'll have to just multiply that 15 into 3, it gives 45. So this requires a 45 watt power adapter. So there's the sweet spot for this. And personally, I would pair with the Spigen PE 2007 IN. So this adapter, it has a dual USB Type-C port, and here you can see it's comfortably supports this 15 volt 3 amp rating. So the 45 watt dedicatedly, it can be used for this charger. And also you have another USB Type-C port to spare. So finally, on to the conclusion part. So this is a fantastic dual purpose investment. So for desk use, it completely eliminates the cable clutter while matching Apple's native 25 watt wireless speeds. And for travel, it's a game changer. So pair it with the Spigen 70 watt dual powered adapter. So you have the ultimate minimalist travel kit to power your entire ecosystem off of a single wall outlet. So if you can get it on sale for 5.5 to 6K, so it's an absolute steal. And in US, there is something called KUXIU X40 Turbo something. So it's a similar one that's also for $70. So that's also a good deal. So obviously get a Qi 2.2 standard wireless charger if you're getting in 2026. And that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, stay safe and peace.